Hey you guys, guess what? I'm bringing to you today rice and cocoyam. First of all, this is cocoyam, the one that you have not peeled. So we have the peeled one that I have peeled. We are going to slice this into smaller pieces. We have onion, we have rice, we have garlic. This is garlic, the oil, tomatoes, we have onion, the grounded one, the sliced one, we have salt, pepper, and we have our maggi here, as you can see, and then we have our smoked fish, which will make it better. If you eat this rice and cocoyam, I bet it with you, you will drink a lot of water. And as you know, you guys, guess what? Water is good for the body, for our body. Water is good for our body. Guess what? Mama Ella African Kitchen. Don't forget, this is Mama Ella African Kitchen. Your family will love you. Join me in the kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the like button and comment below. Please subscribe, comment below, click the like button. Join me in the kitchen where we are going to enjoy it together. How we are going to dilute it one by one, and it will make it hey, Mama Ella African Kitchen. Your family, they love it. When your fire is ready, then you put on your pot with clean water. Keep blowing, and later when the water is boiling, you wash your rice and put it there. Our water is ready. We are going to put water. Add little water. And we're going to put it. This local kitchen, Mama Ella African Kitchen. Your family will love it. Yes, it's ready, and this is our cocoa. We're going to slice it and put it there, and don't forget to add your salt a little and slice your cocoa. Some is sliced already, but we're going to add to it, but we're still going to slice some to make it easier. Mama African Kitchen. Now it's ready. Being sliced and cracking it there. You can see the food is ready. See the cocoa. It's going to soft. Remove it from the fire. It's ready to serve. Add to your taco. and blow. Don't forget to blow. Add your pepper. For some time before you add your tin tomatoes. Add your tin tomatoes there. Good morning, oh. How are you? Now we want to check our soup. This is boiling. Then we have to add our salt there. You add your Maggi there to make it sweet. Mama Ella African Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button and comment below. If your method is different like this, please let me know. Write it there at the comments below. Yes, as you can see, it's time for us to put my vegetables are ready. They are salivating already. Want to put our soup there, fish there, as you can see. Some people doesn't like too much oil. Some people like it. It depends on your choice. Please comment below and let me know if your own is too much oil or moderate, or you don't like it much at all. Guess what? It's ready. It's getting ready to serve. See, our soup is getting ready to serve. My children like to eat the bone. The calcium is there. Wow, now we have our meal done. Guess what? The food is ready now. Let's enjoy the meal. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment below section if you like your own done like this, you like it to prepare like this, or you have another way, let me know. Please subscribe to this channel and comment below. Hey you guys, get what? Show me the kitchen. Mama Ella African Kitchen. Your family will love it. Mama Ella African Kitchen. Your family will love it.